Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza, and today my topic is about how to market your business on Facebook without even spending a dollar. Yes, not even a single penny. You know that Facebook is one of the world's most popular social media platform where millions of users come on daily basis. They actively engage, interact, communicate, and have deep discussions on different topics. So as a marketer, wherever the audience is, it's the place we have to market our product and sell our product. So in this video, I will be discussing some of the finest ways through which you can market and promote your business on Facebook without even spending a single dollar. So stay with me and let's get started on this. So, in this, firstly, I would like to talk about how connecting with like minded people helps you. You know, whenever you connect with like minded people in your industry, whatever your industry is, it can work in any industry. What happens is when you give power, you receive power. When you help someone, someone else helps you. When you share someone, someone else share you. So that exactly happens with me as well. You know, in our community, there's a very famous and very well known community guy known as Hisham. And when I shared him, when I admired him, what happened is he actually shared my picture and my status with him. So actually he got even 10x more following than me. So what I got, like, I shared his post himself on my wall and he shared mine, and that is how, although he has 10x more times, still he shared me, and that is how I got ample of people started following me, where I can promote them my product or services by sharing my statuses via my share statuses. So you can see another, this guy another shared me that my company is a Google partner company, and providing SEO and PPC services. So what happened, did I shared him and he shared me back. And that is actually a kind of a free advertisement. This guy and the guy is sharing about my free webinar. So now of course he's sharing me. Why? Because I share him as well. So he's actually promoting my events as well. They are actually promoting my events as why? Because I'm doing the same thing for them as well. So that is a great way to promote yourself and to promote others. Like, sharing is caring. My next point is about sharing content in a regular basis. Consistency is the key. Whatever you do, like I am trying to do, I'm trying to create daily vlogs on my YouTube channel. Why? Because I'm trying to be consistent, because I know that this formula is almost guaranteed to get works. But you need to be consistent, and success is much likely we will be waiting for you. So consistency is the key, that no matter what, you are going to share the content. No matter what, I'm going to share the content. And that is how you actually able to engage your audience, because whenever they visit Facebook, they see something new from your side, and that is how they remember you again and again and again. So that is the beauty of being consistency. And that when I say that if you want to be shared, you have to share it. So that is how I shared myself, I shared others as well, and that is how they shared me as well. And that is a mutual win-win for both. I share them and they share mine. Their audience starts following me and my audience starts following them, and that is how both of us can have a win-win scenario. Another guy, you can see, I actually shared him. So that, because I don't mind sharing someone successes, someone good things, or even I do share us other people events as well, and that is how other people share mine as well, and that is how it's a win-win for both of us. And that is a great way to generate business for both you and your friends. Another way is creating a Facebook group. And it actually, you create a community. For instance, if you have like I have my own group regarding digital marketing, SEO and PPC, whatever your industry is, just create a group and actively engage over there, because not everyone wants to follow you and not everyone wants to be a friend of yours, and you can't have more than 5,000 friends. And when you want to achieve bigger perspective, creating a Facebook group is completely free. And here people can ask relevant questions related to their niche, your product, or and get them answered. So it's a very good way. And another advantage of Facebook group is that because it actually creates a community about a specific topic. You have an authority to have your own post as a sticky post. You can even because you are going to work as a brand ambassador for your own product in your own group, and whenever they see your comment, because you can even stick your post at the top, or whenever they join your group, they know or they start remember about your brand or service. That is another great awesome way to generate business even without spending money. And my next topic is about Facebook live video. And in case if you haven't still done it, you are actually late, you are actually missing it, you are actually missing it. This is the prime thing of Facebook, which I like the most, and that is one of the things which audience even engages at a very higher speed. Whenever this is you can see this is about my SEO master workshop which I was going to hold. It's a paid workshop, and in live session there was a community which had specific questions they wanted to get answered, and I answered them in live, and that is how I win their trust. And there were some queries who were hesitant on joining my course, but when they saw me live, when they get their question answered, they were able to join my course, join my workshop. So SEO, I mean, Facebook Live is actually a wonderful, or you can say this is so far my best recommendation for you, is that at least follow this strategy and you will definitely be successful. So I also gathered some ideas on what kind of ideas are good for creating a Facebook Live video. You can host a question and answer session with your audience regarding your product, brand, service. You can even announce a new product by going on live on Facebook, even discuss functions and features of a specific product, actively inform and educate people about what your product is. This is another way, and that is you can interview other people in your relevant industry and ask them for a shootout for your brand or product service. They will be happy to do it. Why? Because they are also being shown to public, they're your audience. And when someone is privileged, if you make them live on your own channel, they will be happy to even do a shootout for you. Or even you can discuss about your product in the live interview session with them, like what is your perception about our brand, what do you feel about our brand, have you ever heard about it, and if you have tried it, what are your feelings. Most people are happily to do a shootout for you. And another is pick an issue in your industry and start discussing about why this is good and this is bad, this is good, this is bad. So this is another way like through which you can do a Facebook live video. So I hope you like my opinion and suggestions on how to market your business on Facebook. I discussed around 6 ways through which you can actively promote your business on Facebook and even engage with your potential customers. Potential customers are those who are not yet your customers, but are much more likely to buy your product or service. You can actively engage with them, have discussion with them, have their pre-sale questions answered, and have all their issues sorted, and even get attention of new followers and new people to your product or service, and that too without even spending $1. I discussed the methods. They are actually free of cost. Nothing costs you to follow these strategies to increase your business and generate more sales and generate more business through Facebook. So I hope you like my video, and do show to subscribe my channel. And my last question, don't forget, my last question is, which part of this strategy you like the most? I like Facebook videos, but what about you? Which part of the video you like the most, or which strategy which you like the most? Like you can say like I like this thing, or I discussed 6 ways. So any way you like the most on how we can market our business on Facebook without even spending $1. So what is your opinion on which part or which strategy you actually like the most? I will be waiting for your answer in the comments box. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.